Hi students, when we hear the word constitution, many questions arise in our mind like why do we need a constitution? How are the constitution drawn up? Who designs them? And in what way? What are the values that shape the constitution in democratic states, etc. To get answer for these questions, let us study the second chapter of democratic politics, constitutional design. In this video, we will study democratic constitution in South Africa, struggle against apartheid towards a new constitution. Can you identify the person? He was the first president of independent South Africa and he is Nelson Mandela. Before becoming the president of South Africa, he was a nationalist leader of South Africa who fought against racial discrimination. He spent 28 years in prison for raising his voice against apartheid. What is apartheid? Apartheid means the policy of racial discrimination. The system of apartheid divided the people and labeled them on the basis of their skin color. It was imposed by the whites who settled in South Africa and later became local rulers. But the native people of South Africa are black in color and they made up about three-fourths of the population. Besides blacks and white people, there lived people of mixed races and people who migrated from India. The white rulers treated all non-whites as inferiors. Even the non-whites did not have rights and they had separate schools, hotels, trains, buses, beaches, public toilets, etc. Blacks could not form association or protest against the terrible treatment. Blacks, colored, and Indians fought against the apartheid system. An organization named African National Congress led the struggle against segregation. Segregation means separation. Apartheid was declared unjust and racist by many countries. But whites continued their racist regime by detaining, torturing, and killing blacks and colored people. Struggles and protests made the white regime unstable. Policies changed, law repealed, restrictions on media lifted, and Mandela freed from prison. The midnight of 26th April 1994, a new flag of the Republic of South Africa was unfurled and apartheid ended. After the emergence of democratic South Africa, black leaders appealed to forgive the whites the atrocities that they have committed. They said to build a new South Africa based on equality of all races and men and women on democratic values, social justice, and human rights. After 2 years of discussion and debate, they came out with one of the finest constitution the world has ever had. This new constitution gave to its citizens the most extensive rights available in any country. Together, they decided that in the search for a solution to the problems, Nobody should be excluded. No one should be treated as a demon. They agreed that everybody should become part of the solution, whatever they might have done or represented in the past. That is why it is said that the South African Constitution inspired democrats all over the world.